In this video, I'll show you how to add professional-looking video effects like glitch and more to your 15-second clips using a free online tool. We're using the free version of MoshPro Lite, a powerful online editor that gives you basic effects with just a few clicks. Proceed to select the Lite version, then upload your clip. Once uploaded, play around with all the cool effects that you desire. When satisfied, simply remember to select MP4 option before downloading. Please note, the free version includes a watermark, but it's a great way to start experimenting with cool FX. You can find the link in the description below.